although the library has been in existence and it has contributed to academic work for all these years that the school has been in existence. Previously, the school was using about a whole-size place where they are using as staff common room now for a library. Then this place was built up some years back, and then thereafter the place was in use, but in fact it was not living up to the expectation actually, because the shelves were very few. Most of the books that we're having were on the floor here at this left wing of the library, and then the books were very old actually. It got to a time that we have to scrap off some of the books and give it to a model school, our model school, primary school down there, because they were very basic. Then out of the blue, Ghana Library Board came on board with the good news that they were here to assist us. In fact, I traveled for about 4 days, and when I came back, I was amazed actually. The whole place was transformed, and it was like a totally new built place. The paintings were in fact first class. They subsequently promised to bring us a swivel chair and desks for the librarian and furniture and other stuff. And they actually did. They brought them together with some textbooks and storybooks actually.
Always students come here to learn. There are a lot of books here, as you can see. Many books are available here. When they come, you can learn and you get any book you want to read. If you come to do research using a computer, the teachers will allow you to use it. They don't restrict students from coming here. Anytime students are here learning.